In my video 4 of this series, I have given an account of the de Broglie matter waves theory. De Broglie, the spelling is as D-E-B-R-O-G-L-I-E. De Broglie is pronounced as de Broglie. De Broglie is a Frenchman, so it's pronounced in French. De Broglie presented his matter wave theory in 1924. After de Broglie's matter wave theory, then came the Schrodinger equation, the wave equation. Schrodinger is an Austrian, so it's pronounced as Schrodinger, not Schrodinger. It's pronounced as Schrodinger. His wave equation was derived by him in 1925. He hypothesized that the electrons are not particles, but are patterns of standing waves. And the Schrodinger equation described real things, not mathematical abstractions. However, due to some difficulties in explaining why matter can form from radiation, which is mainly light. At the time, radiation is light. Because of there's a phenomena of dispersion. That is to say that the light waves which only spread out, will not contract, will not become, the wavelength will not become smaller and smaller, but instead become bigger and bigger, the wavelength. So this is just called a phenomena of dispersion of light. So how can the light radiation form matter if they become, the wavelength of them become bigger and bigger? They just spread out, and instead of contracting, becoming smaller and smaller, and this wavelength and the frequency becomes higher and higher, and then become a matter. But because of the phenomena of dispersion, which means the wavelength will only become bigger and bigger and spread out, so he cannot explain. Schrodinger has some difficulty in explaining why this matter can form from wave. So this gradually gave way to Max Born's as another contemporary physicist at that time. Max Born's probability waves functions. Max Born proposed that waves are only functions. The Schrodinger's equations wave only describe functions instead of some mathematical functions, which represent probability. The probability of finding something in a specific location, instead of the wave function representing real waves, real standing waves. That's the Max Born's proposal, and that actually later dominated the community's thinking of this kind of waves. It's now become the mainstream idea mainstream concept in quantum mechanics.